Hello students, today we are going to start with web applications and security. Computer accessibility. Computer accessibility refers to the user-friendliness of a computer system for all, regardless of their disability. This is mainly a software issue. However, when a combination of hardware and software, it enables a person with a disability or impairment to use a computer. It is known as assistive technology. Impairment that impacts computer usage. Cognitive impairment and learning disabilities such as dyslexia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or autism. Visual impairments such as low vision, complete or partial blindness, and color blindness. Hearing impairment include deafness. Motor or dexterity impairment such as paralysis, cerebral palsy, or carpal tunnel syndrome and repetitive strain injury. Accessibility options. Accessibility options in control panel are used to customize the way your keyboard displays or mouse functions. Now, some keyboard tabs. Sticky keys. Sticky keys is an accessibility feature to help computer users with physical disabilities, but it is also used by others as a means to reduce repetitive strain. Sticky keys allows the user to press and release a modifier key such as Shift, Control, Alt, or that Windows key and have it remain active until any other key is pressed. Filter keys. Filter key is a feature of Microsoft Windows. It is an accessibility function that tells the keyboard to ignore brief or repetitive keystrokes, making typing easier for people with hand tremors. Toggle keys. Toggle key is also a feature of Microsoft Windows. It is an accessibility function which is designed for people who have vision impairments and cognitive disabilities. When it is turned on, the computer emits sound cues. When the locking keys, that is caps lock, number lock, or scroll lock, are pressed, a high sound is emitted when the keys are switched on, and a low sound is emitted when they are switched off. Sound Sentry. It is designed to help users with auditory impairments. It generates visual warnings such as blinking title bar or a flashing border whenever the computer generates a sound. Show sounds. It instructs applications that convey information by sound to also provide information visually through text captions or informative icons. Display tab. Select the Display tab, a window with options to configure accessibility option for display is displayed. High contrast. It is an accessibility feature to assist people with vision impairments. You can change the size and color of fonts and the background for ease of viewing. Cursor options. Cursor options is also an accessibility feature that assists people with vision impairments by changing the blink rate and width of the cursor. Mouse tabs. Mouse keys is an accessibility feature that assists people who have difficulty using a mouse. This option uses the keyboard as a pointing device instead of mouse. General tab. This tab enables you to configure accessibility options for all users. Serial keys. Serial keys is an accessibility feature that assists people that have difficulty using keyboard or a mouse or both. They can use special devices such as SIP, puff, reed switches to provide input to the computer through serial ports.